How you doing? My name is Hendrick. Today, Carter and I, Carter, say hello.
Hello.
We're going to show you 6 exercises to do on the hurdle to help improve your speed in whatever sport you're doing. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video that we're about to show you. All right, let's go. No delay. First exercise we're doing, Carter, is bunny hops. So both feet at the same time, jumping over the hurdle. There we go. There we go. Good. Jogging back. Give me 5 of these. That's 1. Breathe as well. Breathe. There we go. 2. Good work. Good boy. 2 more. Easy. There we go. Last one. Jogging back. These 6 exercises are easy for anyone to do. They're very basic, more on beginner's level. There will be a more advanced level in terms of the hurdles, but for now we're just going to show you the 6. That's the first one. All right, so the next one we've got coming up is a lateral step. So the lateral steps, he'll be facing forward. He will get his knees and hands working at the same time as he's moving across the ladders. Carter, let's take it away. So, there we go. There we go. Good. So we always want to be pumping them arms. So when you pump your elbows back, your knees are working at the same time. Let's go again. Good boy. Try not to lean back too much. Nice, that's much better. Well done, Carter. All right, now we're going to be facing the other way when you do this. You got this. Good boy. Always get the knees up to hip level. 1, 2, good boy. Okay, so when it comes to hurdle work, you don't always want to do something that's just sagittal. So we always want to work frontal. So in frontal, there's 3 planks of movement. So frontal and then sagittal moving forward. We've got some transverse movement as well, and that will just help be able to work on agility as well as your speed as well. All right, so what we've got coming up next is a single leg bunny hop overs. This focuses on 2 things. 1, imbalance muscles, and 2, your speed. So Carter's going to demonstrate how we do this. We do 3 on one leg, we jog back, we do 3 on the other. Carter, when you're ready, let's take it away. All right, let's go. Good. There we go. Back it now. There you go. So, as we just saw there, Carter's left foot is much more stronger than his right. This is the reason why we want to make sure that we do the same on the left and the same on the right. So, imbalance muscles, you can see, Carter's a lot more strong on his left foot than he is on his right. So, if we get both of them as strong as each other, there's wonders that could be worked here. So, what we've got coming up next is the hurdle sprints. This will encourage your son, your daughter, or yourself, if you want to participate, is how to run, the movement behind it as well. Knees coming up, elbows back and forth, and encourage you to lift them ankles up as you are running. So, Carter's going to demonstrate the hurdle run. And we're going to do it with our arms working as well. So what we don't want is stiff arms. Alright, pump the elbows, keep the elbows tight in. Better, much better, but don't lean back. If you lean back, you're slowing yourself down, so you can lean forward slightly, okay? Better, much better. There we go. Good boy, do 1 more. Good boy. Right, so what we've got coming up next is the 2 feet in hurdle sprints. So similar to what we've just done before with the hurdle sprints, but this time we're doing 2 feet inside. So once we get over the hurdle, 1 foot, other foot follows, then we're going straight again with the next foot into the other as we get over that hurdle. This focuses a lot more on the technique with the running and the action with the arms. Carter's excited to go, so we are ready to go. There we go, good boy, let's go again, 4 more. Nice, let's go again. One more. Right, so we have 2 more to go. The first one we got is a 2-hop run. So Carter's going to jump over 2 hurdles with his feet at the same time, and then he's going to sprint the rest. Carter, you ready?
Yes!
Oh, let's go. 1, 2, sprint. Alright, so we're going to use some arms more when we sprint, okay? That's amazing, well done. Let's go again. Don't be late. As soon as you land with the second foot, you sprint straight away. Better. Give me one more. Easy, well done. So we have one more left. This one's probably the difficult one out of the 6. I was thinking about leaving it to the advanced, but just to finish off, it'll be great to finish off with a challenge. So this is the side step, and Carter, after finding it difficult, he now loves it because he loves challenges. I hope your son and daughter, or even yourself, love it as well. Carter, let's go. There we go. Good. Focus on the knee coming up as you do this. There we go. Also, what I want you to do is make sure that you're not just facing forward, but you're slightly in that angle as well. So it goes up, fast with it. As soon as you take it over, it's fast. All right. There you go. There you go. There you go. Good boy. Jogging back. One on that side, change sides. Yeah. Go. Here we go. Good. Good boy. Good boy. Change sides now. Exactly that. Good boy. What I don't want you to do is flip that leg up until it goes up, straight over, up, straight over. Up, straight over, straight over, straight over. Here we go. Let's go. Up. Good boy. That's better. That was better. These are our 6 exercises to do on the hurdle. We hope that your son, your daughter, or even yourself will find these challenging in a good way in order for you to get faster in the sport that you want to perform, or even for general fitness. Please stay tuned and make sure you subscribe, you like, you comment, and you share. Till then, have a good day.
Bye-bye.